What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of CA Buildz. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. Today we're back on the Audi S4. If you haven't seen the previous videos, we got a 2014 Audi S4 with some front end damage. We got a lot of work done already. In the previous episode, we got the radiators on, everything's connected, it's working well. Today we're gonna put on the headlights, align everything, hopefully throw on the bumper, the grille, and get as much done as we can. So let's get to it. I'll show you guys the situation right now. So basically our support was sitting a little bit off. So when I tried to put on the headlight, there was a big gap by the fender over there. So we had to readjust the whole support. But when we readjust the support, now we have to readjust the fenders and the hood. So once we get all those adjusted, we're gonna start throwing on the headlights and probably the bumper. So let's do that. We got this headlight on. We still have to adjust a little bit right here, but before we do that, I actually want to throw on this headlight and adjust both of them at the same time to the hood, make sure everything aligns perfectly. So let's get this headlight on. Alright guys, this is what we got so far. Both of the headlights are on, and we actually just put the grille on to see if everything lines up good. We're going to take it back off, put the reinforcement on, and align everything else. So let's do that. Alright guys, both the headlights are on and we finally got them adjusted. It took forever, but we finally got it done and it's looking amazing. All the gaps, everything lined up perfectly. We had to readjust the fenders, the hood, because we moved the support a little bit to make the headlights adjust perfectly. And we actually got the reinforcement bar back on. Now I have to actually somehow get this hose out of this reinforcement. So there's damage right here and I actually got the hose stuck, so I'm probably gonna have to cut it like right here, grind it open, take the hose out, put it back over here, just connect all those wires to the headlight and whatnot, and then we'll start working on the bumper and hopefully throw that on the car. actually did get the hose out. So I just grinded it open right here, got the hose out. Now I'm gonna throw it back in the car. Alright guys, just like that, the hose is on. It actually connects to the headlight washers. So everything's connected. Now we have to get onto the bumpers. So basically we got to put the grill on the new bumper, these little fog light covers, and we actually have to take off our old fog lights from the old bumper, put everything on the new bumper, and throw it back in the car. Alright, I got the bumper 100% complete, and look how amazing it looks. This grill makes it look so sick. I got these on, the fog lights are on, everything's put together. Now it's time to pick up the front end of the car and throw it on there. I got the front bumper on. It's looking absolutely amazing. Little sneak peek right there. But I want to show you guys in the daytime so you can see it better. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Next day here, guys. Got a little sick. It got pretty cold here in Sacramento, so I lost my voice. But the Audi is done. It's looking absolutely amazing. Let me show you guys a little more. This thing looks so sick. I'm super happy I went with that grill. It changes the whole front end look of the car. It looks absolutely amazing. Now we're gonna go try to slide it. I told you guys I'll do it, so we'll go give it a try. Hopefully I don't break anything. It is an Audi at the end of the day, so let's go try it out. All right guys, we're gonna do a little pull. Let's see how this thing goes. Why did it just shift? It shifted by itself. Kind of pulls. I mean, after the GTR, nothing really feels fast anymore, but it sounds pretty good though. It's really smooth. I like how smooth these things are. All right, let's get a launch. Not lunch, but launch. It actually launches good. Well guys, that was a fail. It switches to second gear for some reason. I'm not sure why. Like it starts sliding, then it goes to second gear and it stops. So we cannot drift. All right guys, drifting was a fail, but at least I tried. Unfortunately, the Audi build is coming to an end. This thing is basically done and it turned out absolutely amazing. If you guys enjoy this build, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you guys don't miss out on anything. There will be a Jaguar video coming here pretty soon. We got a whole bunch of boxes in the mail. There's a whole bunch of parts that came in, so there'll be a video on that. And we are looking for a new build, so there will be a new build coming to a channel pretty soon. I'm still thinking of what to get exactly, so stay tuned so you guys don't miss out on it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.